Hey everybody, this is Amy. My lovely fiance finally bought me a light so I can do all my makeup and my hair and share it with you guys. So this is my first video. Today I'm just going to be curling my hair. A lot of people are like, it takes you forever to curl your hair, and I say no, it really doesn't. It takes me about 10 minutes. I haven't told anybody this yet, but a good friend of mine actually did my sister's hair for her 30th birthday, and I did my hair previously, and my own sister said, Amy, I wish you would have curled my hair. So this video is just me curling my hair, showing how I part it. It's not going to take very long. I'm just trying it out. Sorry about the redness. I just got out of the shower, the heat. So here it is. Thanks. All right. So I have blew it dry. What is that term? So it's fresh out of the shower. Yeah, I did use a little bit of heat protectant. I did use a little bit of leave-in conditioner. It is the first time I have washed my hair since having it done a few days ago. So let's get started. So pretty much I have my part, part it where you want it. I will go ahead and just pretty much half it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Even though I try to be perfect, I am not perfect. I have thick hair, so I use a clippy clip to do that top. So pretty much I am just working with 4 sections. This bottom section was a little thinner than I wanted, but it's okay. I'm gonna brush them out. Like I said, I'm not a perfectionist, but I'm just showing people how I curl my hair. I pretty much start from the back and toss it. Start from the back, curl it, toss it. And today I'm using my favorite iron, Hot Shop Tools. I believe this is a 2-inch. I could be wrong, 1.5 inches. Little bigger than my favorite size. Curler, so I think my favorite is like a 3/4 inch, but this is 1.5 inches or 2. Not certain. Anyways, I'll stop talking. And we'll begin. So just grab a piece of hair. I'm gonna clip it in the front. I'm just gonna go to the middle and wrap it up. Then I'm gonna slowly move it down and wrap it up again. Slowly move it down, wrap it up again. All right. My hairstylist did put highlights and lowlights in my hair, so I'm excited. I love it. Probably gonna go back for more. So, and another reason why I did not do like a full face right now is because, and then like I do, just toss it behind me. A lot of people work from the front. I am not coordinated enough. The reason why I did not do a full face is the fact I don't like to do my makeup before doing my hair. I like to do my hair first and then my makeup. The reason why, when you put your makeup on, you got a good face. And I feel like the heat from the curler may make you sweat. So I want to look as fresh as possible. So I'll always do my hair first with a nice curl. I'm just going to toss it back. Like I said, this bottom layer was a little bit thinner than I wanted, but I'm just going to middle it, roll it down. Middle, roll down. So I usually just throw all the pieces behind me. So then they're out of my way. I can work with the good piece. There we go, a nice curl. I gotta figure out the lighting on this thing because it's making my skin look unflattering. But I'm gonna start the other side. I want curls to go. Anyways, I have a certain way I like to do my curls. I like to do them backward. I don't like to have a loop-de-loop in front. Some people do. I just like to kind of move it, and I lost it. Nope, it's still kind of there. No, it's already gone. Sometimes that clip just lets it all loose. That's fine. It's not gonna look bad. I'm gonna gonna start with another piece. Sometimes you can go a little bit thicker. But like I said, just use the middle and kind of tighten up that hair strand there that you have. I have a weird piece here, so I'm gonna do 2 more. Then we'll be done with this. So yeah, not very long at all. Just gonna drop that. I don't use any shaping spray. I've been trying to look for a decent priced brand, and I can't seem to find one that I'm into. So other than the heat protectant and the leave-in conditioner, I don't have any product in my hair. I kind of have a weird part here, so I do it behind my ear and then in front of my ear. That's just a tiny piece. I like to do it a little bit thicker pieces only because it takes less time. But yeah, I kind of just start middle, wrap it, drop it, wrap it up again. And there's that last bottom curl. I do have really thick hair. I'm very blessed that I've had thick hair all my life. So now what I'm going to do with these 2 parts, this one is going to be the thickest, the most curly over here. So I'm just going to part it, kind of twist it up backwards, and do my little clip. It looks silly, but at the end, it's gonna look great, so I am not worried about that. Okay, so this top layer is a little bit thicker. Like I said, go to the middle, wrap it up, still have some hair left, wrap it up more, and then of course this piece is going to go behind me. So once my hair is done, you'll see the finished product, so you're kind of not seeing the curls. I guess I can just go like that. I feel like the smaller the curler, the more curls you're gonna get. I feel like with this bigger barrel on my curler, my hair kind of lets down a little bit quicker than I'd like. There's that one, and I'm gonna do 2 pieces here. I usually brush it out just a minute, but it's fine. Oops. All right. I love my coloring that I have. So now we've got 3/4 of my hair done already. Like I said, just wrap it. Sometimes I feel like I missed a piece, but you can always go back and grab that piece and just curl it. It's gonna blend right in with your hair anyways. So there we go. And the last side. Sometimes I do these in 2 pieces, so it'd be 3/4 done. That is a little bit thicker than I like. Just gonna grab it and part it. I like to use the brush before I curl it because it gives it more of a, you know, smooth look. If you curl your hair when it's kind of tangled, I don't feel like it's gonna look good. So this back piece is my nemesis. It doesn't curl very great, so that's why I sometimes touch that thing to make sure I'm getting the heat I want. I do have it on the highest setting. Like I said, I have very, very thick hair, and so I use the highest heat on it. I get the best results from that, I feel like. So okay, I feel like I've got a snag back there. Nope. All right, so we're just throwing pieces back here. Now, like I said, I didn't part this the greatest, so it is still very thick on this side. So it's gonna take me a few more curls than normal, but I'm not worried about it. It's gonna look just fine. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and drop that one, throw it back, grab another piece. You know, I love wearing my hair down, but sometimes it does get in the way and it gets very, very annoying. Like I said, not being perfect. Middle. I almost lost that one. Sometimes the clip will just slip past that point where you can't grab it anymore, so it just comes loose. You gotta grab it again. But I think this is going pretty good. And I am not one that likes to take a long time to get ready. I really do like to look good, but sometimes I like my sleep. So I don't like things that take very long to get ready. I work from home, so I don't get ready in the mornings every morning now, so that's kind of nice. So we're almost finishing up here. Now I don't put anything special on my hair for hairspray. I just use a medium spray. So and I'm really kind of liking how this is coming out. I like my highlights and my lowlights. I leave it in a few minutes, a few seconds more when it's a little bit thicker of a piece, just so it kind of all can curl. And like I said, not perfect curls. I don't know if I can fit about 2 or 3 more after this piece. We'll see. We shall see. I don't know if I mentioned in the video, the curler is from Hot Shot Tools. They were making pink products for a while. It's very hard to find. Like I said, my favorite curler, I'm very picky. I can't find it in the color I want, so I haven't bought it yet. I used to have the curler. I had a lab, and she kind of chewed the cord, so after a couple repairs on it and putting it into the socket and it sparking, I kind of threw it away. So haven't found it again, want to find it. So let's see. That piece can just be one piece. Sometimes I get a little too close to my scalp and I start feeling it. All right. Oops. Almost done there, and there we go, it's fine. So my last piece, I like to go towards the hairline more, because I like it kind of like out of my forehead area. So now I'm gonna put some hairspray on it. We are done. I'm gonna put some hairspray on it. Ooh, here we go. It's kind of gonna blend in. So we've got those really nice curls. Just gonna use some hairspray. I don't like to use a ton, but I do like it to stay. Like I said, a lot of hair, a lot of spray. And I think that's great. All right. So I really don't like to move my fingers through it too much. I think they fall out naturally. But that's all my hair. My first video for curling my hair. And if you have questions, let me know. Like this side is kind of already fallen down. But that's fine. And I will turn around for the finished product. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good night.